Hey everyone, so I've got my safe here. Before I get into all the features, which there are quite a bit, let me go ahead and show you what it does come with. We do have a set of keys. We also have a charging cord here because there are two different ways you can power this up. One is with some batteries, or you can use this charging cord. We also have a little screwdriver to go ahead and open the battery compartment. We've got a charging cord here that's type C to type C. We also have some mounting hardware. There are two holes on the bottom, so if you wanted to, you could mount it somewhere, so that way it's not going to be able to be moved. And we also have a security cord here that you can go ahead and attach it, if need be, right here on the back side. This is where we would put our key in. This is where we're going to go ahead and hook up the power, and then we can go ahead and use this port here, these two ports, which is type C and USB-A, to go ahead and charge up any smart devices. So these are the three ways that you can open this safe up. One is we have our key. This opens up like that. Now the inside of this, it is slightly foamed, and we do have a light inside there so that way you can see all your objects, especially at night, and there's also a program button inside. I can also use my fingerprint, and I can actually store up to 20 of these, and of course we've got our buttons here on top. That opens it also. You'll see right here on the display, we can use this as an alarm clock. It tells you the time, the battery level, the humidity, and the temperature, and whether it's locked or not. What I like about this safe too is you can go ahead and charge up your smart devices, whether it's your phone, a watch, or any earphones too. I love that it's heavy duty. I mean, it's actually fairly heavy too. I mean, it's probably around 5 to 8 pounds, somewhere like that. But it's just real easy to operate. I love that it has a clock and all this information on the front, and just easy to open. Hope you found this helpful.